Hello everyone, my name is Bilge. We introduced you edge and mid-section clamps and multi-purpose clamp kit before. Now I will introduce you universal clamp kit. Universal clamp kit is not only suitable as a separator, but also suitable for advertisement purposes. You can use it for wall or ceiling mount. Made of galvanized steel. It's a sturdy product so that's suitable for indoor and outdoor usage. Inside of the clamp, where it holds your screen material, are covered with black soft pads EVA. Thanks to that feature, your screen material do not get any scratch or damage. You can use the panel gripper both in vertical and horizontal direction. Vertical and horizontal. Two clamps hold maximum 25 kilograms. For ceiling mount, maximum panel size is 2000 mm wide and 2000 mm height. You should use 4 clamps in this case. For wall mount, maximum panel size is 700 mm wide, 2000 mm height. You need 4 clamps in this case too. It holds panels between 2 mm to 12 mm thickness. You can adjust your clamp according to the thickness of your panel, screen material or advertisement material. Now I will show you the clamp process. Take the clamp, mark holes and screw it. Place the plastic wall plugs which is provided with the clamp into the holes. Now you can fix your clamp by tightening screws. We provide you a template for the panel slot cutting. Undo the knots, insert the panel, tighten the knots. Now it is ready for use. It is completed with fixing kit for standard walls. If you need fixing kit for special surfaces like outdoor buildings, please contact us for other options. It is practical for removing and remounting. Packed in 2 pieces, price per pack of 2 clamps. It is 1.45 kilograms, packed sizes 110, 220 and 90 mm. You can contact us for customized panels, printed or unprinted. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay healthy. Goodbye.